Hi friends, welcome back to another video where fashion meets boldness and confidence. Men's latex fashion is not just trend, it's a movement, a revolution. From underground scenes to high fashion runways, latex has exploded into the global stage, and today we are unlocking everything you need to know how to wear it, style it and own it like an icon. If you are ready to elevate your style, let's begin. So, why latex? Because it's not just clothing, it's an experience. A second skin, latex molds to your body, creating a sharp, futuristic silhouette that no other material can replicate. Commanding presence. Step into a room in latex and you don't just get noticed, you dominate. Luxury meets edge. From Hollywood red carpets to Tokyo's underground scenes, latex is where high fashion meets raw attitude. A fabric from the future seen in fashion houses. Latex is look of tomorrow, worn today. This is not just fashion, it's a power. If you're stepping into the world of latex, here's how to wear it like a pro. A latex suit is not just a suit, it's a power statement, sleek, refined, and dangerously sharp. It takes confidence to wear, but the reward is next level style. Streetwear meets the future. A latex jacket laid over casual fits creates a bold, high impact look that stands out from the crowd. Sleek, fitted, unapologetic, the perfect latex club outfit is about striking the balance. So keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. All designs are different from each other. Shiny designs, latest outfits. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe. Our goal is simply to help you. Our designs are different from each other. Shiny dresses for stylish men. So keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Our goal is simply to help you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. So take good care of yourself and goodbye till the next video.